Good morning, students. In a BCom fifth semester, you are having one topic, that is functional electronic business. Today I am going to start Unit 4. Already you are studying Unit 1 integration. In that you are studying integration of different application softwares. Today we are studying about electronic business. It is theoretical concept. Today I am going to start this functional electronic business topic. In this topic, you are going to study today Introduction to Electronic Business and E-commerce, e-business applications, e-business features, e-business limitations, and internet business sites. First, what is electronic business? Electronic business is the application of information and communication technologies, that is ICT, for conducting and executing all activities related to business. Electronic business definition, you should know about this definition: the transformation of an organization's process to deliver additional customer value through the application of technologies, philosophies, and computing paradigm of the new economy. This term electronic business was coined by IBM's marketing and internet teams in 1996. This electronic business they have introduced in 1996 by IBM's marketing and internet teams. This e-business involves business processes covering the entire value chain, that is electronic purchasing and supply chain management, processing orders electronically, handling customer service, and cooperating with business partners. The business will be done by electronically. This e-business can be conducted using the internet, some intranets, extranets, or some combination of these. Already in a first semester only you have studied what is internet, what are the types of networks, everything you studied. Similar technology will be used in an electronic business. Purely the electronic business will be done through internet. Electronic business can be considered as the marketing of products or services through the use of computer systems and information technology. Internet can also be effectively used in commercial world to buy and sell commodities and services. Using the services offered by the internet, such as electronic mail. Already you know about electronic mail. In first semester only you have studied this one, how to send electronic mail through the websites. And you can transfer files. So many search tools are there. You can search anything through the internet. Everything you studied in a second semester of your BCom curriculum. Okay, in this semester you are going to study what is electronic business, how it will be performed through the internet. Next will be comparing electronic business and e-commerce. This is layers of modern commerce. Like in a commerce, you will be having electronic business, e-commerce, everything will be done in a internet. This is internet commerce. Okay, the business will be done through the internet. connectivity digitally, it will be done. By this layer you will be knowing, like in a commerce you will be having electronic business, electronic commerce, everything will be done through the internet. This figure shows layers of modern commerce. Next will be electronic business applications. What are the electronic business applications? Electronic business applications can be divided into mainly three categories. First one is internal business systems. In this you will be knowing like customer relationship management, CRM, then enterprise resource planning, that is ERP, document management systems, that is DMS, human resource management, HRM. These will be done through the internal business systems in electronic business only. Second one, enterprise communication and collaboration. In that you will be having VoIP, content management systems, electronic mail, voicemail, web conferencing, digital workflows, or it is also called business process management. This everything will be done in these applications like enterprise communication and collaboration. That application will group in this, like second one it is. Then last one is electronic commerce. In this, business to business electronic commerce or business to consumer electronic commerce. In this we will be having internet shop, supply chain management, online marketing, offline marketing. In the next session also you will be studying about e-commerce, types of e-commerce, everything. That is also one kind of application of electronic business, e-commerce. In detail you will study in next classes about electronic commerce or e-commerce. Okay, next one is features of electronic business. The business through internet. The business will be done through internet. What are the features of this electronic business? Generally you know about this electronic business. So many online websites are there. You are purchasing products from the online websites. You know the concept. Like here, the first benefit is interactive nature. Like in internet marketing, in terms of instant response with results is the unique quality of the medium. Like you can interact and you can, according to your wish, you can purchase the product. Second one, 24-hour open storefronts. Like in internet, business is conducted 24 hours in a day. A buyer can wish to buy a product or avail a service whenever he or she wants, any time of the day. Any time you can purchase the products. And some websites like Mytra, Snapdeal, Flipkart, those websites, they are giving offers in the midnight, like night 12 to morning 6. You have to purchase product. They are giving discounts for you people. Like it is 24 hours service. Next one is non-bound selling or service area. Like due to the virtual shops and distribution centers, there is no restriction in the size or appearance of actual selling spot. One can need only warehouse or go down to store goods. That manufacture unit or main manufacturing company, they can have warehouse or go down. But the retailers or the e-business sites, there is no need of shop or a size of shop. Virtual shop it is. It is not bounded to the particular area here. Next one is wide span of market. Using internet, one can gain access to any marketplace in the world, and hence it has got larger reach, like wide span of market. All over the world you can sell your products, like limited market is not there here, it is wide spread all over the world. Next, flexibility of marketplace. One can access different marketplaces easily using internet. Next, updated information. Internet can provide updated market, and this is very useful in tracing product availability and assessing prices at a particular time. You can compare the prices with the different websites. Whichever cheapest you can purchase from the website. That is very updated information you are getting. You are not getting here old stocks here. The latest updated products you can purchase from the internet or this electronic business. Next, knowing competitors. Using internet, one can easily know the other vendors. Those are selling similar goods or providing similar services. You will be knowing like what competition is there. If you are a manufacturer or you are selling a product, then you will be knowing who are the competitors of your product. Everything you can know in an electronic business. Next, eighth one is urgency in solving customer needs. A vendor upon getting order or query can immediately respond to her or his needs without wasting a time. Okay, if any product you purchased, if it is damaged, within a seconds you can send back that product and you can get a new one. The vendor will respond to you immediately in this electronic business. That is also one feature of electronic business. Next is requirement of computer knowledge. Yes, a customer or supplier should have basic knowledge of using computer and browsing internet and other electronic transaction methods related to business. The customer or supplier should have the basic knowledge of the computer. That is must and should in this electronic business. Next, several choices to decide upon. A consumer can make clear comparison among the products or services manufactured or rendered by different companies or commercial established he or she is going to buy. There are several choices will be displayed on the website. You can decide upon. Next, easy of assessing. As customers are not physically communicating to the seller at the time of buying activity, they feel free to judge quality, available size, quantities, price, packing method, special features, etc. of the product they are going to purchase. They are not physically present while buying the products, but they can get the product whenever the vendor sends to their place. They can check the product at that time. Then next one is involvement of manual dispatch. Internet business can successfully complete all selling and buying activities related to money and financial document transactions, but actual dispatch, transportation of goods and rendering of services has to be carried out manually. Yes, everything we will order through the internet, we will pay the cash also through net, everything we will do, but the product has to be dispatched or packed, everything has to be done manually itself. Then low cost process, it is also feature of electronic business. Once basic hardware and software needs are fulfilled, one can readily conduct business through internet without requirement of a physical shop in the core of a marketplace in a city. Here one can save money because of a reduced need for a sales force. Like no need to purchase or take rent for a shop, no need to pay the rent or pay the electricity bills, everything. Through the electronically they can send and receive the products within a low cost. It is a low cost process. Next, online reservations and bookings. People can reserve a bus, railway or aeroplane tickets or book a place in a cricket stadium or film theatre by sitting at their home through internet. Okay, everything you can reserve, you can book the railway tickets, bus tickets, everything sitting from home only. You can order groceries, vegetables, everything. Okay, that facility is there in a electronic business. Next, scope of expansion. Internet marketing can help expand from a local market to national and international marketplaces. Like market is very vast here. Next, liberal return policy. It is an industry standard for e-commerce vendors to have liberal return policies and in a store pickup services to reassure customers regarding defect in products or services. If it is defected, the product is defected, within 2 days you will get a new product, okay, with a very good features. Okay, next, substituting monetary form. Traditional business involves transaction of currency notes, checks, demand drafts, debit, credit card, etc. In a semi-electronic business process, one can use these for making payments to other party. But fully automated internet business involves digital money transaction. Next feature is new opportunity of earnings. Due to the involvement of digitized data, organizations are now able to provide earning opportunities to the people right at their home. For example, data entry, transcription, BPO, these related jobs. So many different opportunities you will get through the electronic business. Next, use of other media for promotions. Web-based marketing uses other media such as newspaper and television for launching and promoting commercial websites. You will be knowing the advertisements, whatever the products they are selling through the electronic business. Those advertisements we will see in newspaper also, televisions also, in Facebooks also, everywhere. Like Reliance Trends. If they open the shop of Reliance Trends, they are giving offers, so many, like 50% discount, or if you get 2,999 product, then 2,999 product will be free for you. Like these kind of offers you can see through television and newspaper also. Then last one is digital money transfer. It is a feature of electronic business. Everything you can transfer through digitally. Money can be transferred digitally for purchasing product through the debit cards, credit cards. This everything you will be studying in a next unit. Unit 5th, electronic payment system is there. In that you will be learning in detail about digital money transfer. Okay, these are the main features of electronic business. Next, what are the limitations of internet business? Some limitations are there for internet business, but features are more than limitations. So it is very popular. First one is here limitations. Reliability and security problems may arise due to the lack of affordable third-party value-added networks. Some security problems may occur sometime. Next, second one, Physically, one cannot judge a product's features through internet. Yeah, that is there. Like physically, you are not there to while buying any product, but whenever you receive, you can find the defects of that. But return policy is there. But whatever the product you purchase, they may be very good quality or they may not be. That limitation is there in this. Third one is because of involvement of digital money in internet business, threat of commercial data manipulation or stealing by breaking the security barrier may arise. Okay, this is also one limitation. Next, internet business can only transact financial documents in a swift way, but transportation of the goods has to be dependent on manual process. The product has to be transferred manually. It should be packaged, it should be get from the retailer to the customer place. Through manually only it has to send. If companies build large high graphic web pages, customer may struggle to download the information through dial-up or mobile devices. You required high speed internet for this. If you have only 2G or 3G, 4G also sometime, if it is very high graphic web page, if it is there for downloading, it may take more data or it may take time for downloading the products or the downloading the website. Unwanted disturbance may be created due to abundant quantity of information. So much information you will get through internet, it may disturb for the customer. Multiple and high speed servers are required to serve unlimited number of simultaneous hits to commercial sites. Yeah, you required high speed servers like in an electronic business, the manufacturer or the main website launcher or who is introducing the electronic business, they required the high speed servers for maintaining the electronic business or e-commerce. As the products and services are remotely served to customers, there is possibility of adopting unethical practices by online. This is also one limitation of internet business. But more than limitations, you are having more features. So electronic business is very popular nowadays. Okay, internet business sites. Like which are the different internet business sites? Virtually every manufacturing, servicing and processing industries companies have placed their own trading sites on internet. The following are some of the general websites. Those provides business and sell almost everything including vegetables, fruits, flowers, clothes, books, music, videos, movie tickets, hotel reservation, electronic devices, vehicles, jewelries, cosmetics, grocery, mobile phones, home appliances, online courses, etc. Everything will get through the internet business sites nowadays. Online education also, you can sit at home and you can get online education. So many free online education sites are also there, or by paying the money also you will get so many online education courses, and everything you can purchase through internet business sites. For example, the popular one is amazon.com, flipkart.com, mytra.com, snapdeals.com, like olx.in is also there. Used product also you can sell through OLX, quicker.com, ibo.com, excite.com, ebay.com, dell.com, unacademy.com, byju's.com, vedantu.com, bigbasket.com, bookshop.co.uk, groceries.com, different websites you are getting here. Ola and Uber, Redbus are the, you can, like in a Bangalore, in metropolitan cities and all, you can book your vehicle for going from one place to another place. At that time, you will use Ola, Uber, that websites. And for purchasing any vegetables, fruits, everything, bigbasket.com is there. And to learn the how to prepare dishes, Hepar Kitchen is there, Swayam Park is there. And to order foods sitting from home, you will be having Swiggy, Zomato. And to order the groceries and vegetables, fruits, everything, Reliance Fresh is there. And to get the clothes, Reliance Trends is there. From Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeals and all, everything you can purchase. Every items are there in that website. This every websites, you know already, I think you are using these websites for purchasing your required products. Okay. And from unacademy.com, you can be like, you can also be educator if you are you want to become a teacher. You can online, you can register for unacademy.com, or you can prepare for the competitive exams. Different competitive exams you can prepare by unacademy.com. And for school students and all, from first standard to 12th standard, there will be byju's.com is there. You can study there. CBSE syllabus also, ICSE syllabus also, and Vedantu is there. Like so many advertisements you are seeing in television also. You can go through these websites and you can get the offers, and you will be having the different electronic offers also they are providing during the festival seasons, like for maybe Deepavali or for Vijayadashmi and all. You are getting so many different offers, and you can purchase the products within a very low price. Okay. Next, from this topic, you are getting important questions in your examination. Like first one, you will be getting define e-business. For 2 marks you are getting this question. And also define e-commerce. This also you are getting for 2 marks. Then for 5 marks or for 15 marks, you are getting questions like this. What are the electronic business applications? You have to write all e-business applications. Or write features of electronic business. You are getting this question for 15 marks. Like you have to write all features of electronic business in detail. Then explain e-business limitations. What are the e-business limitations? You may get for this question for 5 marks. Then last one is mention any 4 internet business sites. This question you are getting for 2 marks. Okay, these important questions you are getting from this topic. In a next session, we will be studying electronic commerce and types of electronic commerce. Thank you. Good day.